Welcome to this video, how to use Adobe Creative Cloud. If this video helps you out, drop a like onto this video and let's just get into it. Okay, so this is the Adobe Creative Cloud application, which you can download from the Adobe website. That's very straightforward and simple, but basically this is going to be like the hub for all of your Adobe products. So if you go to the home page on the left hand panel here, you're going to have some shortcuts that you can quickly open some installed apps. Then they're going to give you some suggested apps that might be a good fit for your what you do with Adobe products. So in this case, I can install Lightroom. I can get 40% off all apps and stuff like that. And then it has some files from your storage. But let's start here on the left hand side where it says apps, and this is going to show you all of the apps that you have installed. Right here it says installed, and I have Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Bridge, Media Encoder, and Camera Raw. So basically it will tell you if there's an update available for that app, and it will also tell you if it is up to date for this one right here. Now let's just say for Photoshop you want to install an older version. You can click here and you can click onto older versions, and you'll be able to get an older version of Adobe Photoshop if that's something you want to do. You can also get add-ons and you can uninstall the app. So like if you have a Photoshop 2023 and Photoshop 2024, you can uninstall the 2023 version just to save some space. And then basically you can also open the applications right here, as well as update the applications straight from here. So it's also going to show you what's available on your plan. So I've got Lightroom, Premiere Rush, and so on and so forth. Then it's going to list out all the apps that you can actually try for a free trial. So if I want to try Adobe Audition, I click on to try, or I can straight from here buy it now. But usually you'll go for the free trial. And that's basically how you can try apps and also update and uninstall and open your apps. Then if you go here to the updates tab, this is going to list out all the apps that are available for update. You simply click on update and that will update the application for you, which is pretty straightforward and simple. Then they have these categories. So if you're struggling to find a specific app that you want, let's just say you want to do some UI and UX, you can click onto that, and then you can see that you can use Dreamweaver for that task, and then you can click on try and you can try that out. If you want to do graphic design, you can click on graphic design category and you can try Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign. And they also have all these assets and inspiration like Adobe Fonts, Adobe Stock, Adobe Color, and Adobe Capture. So that's what you can do with the categories. Then they have resource links. This will take you to the actual website of Adobe. So if you want the stock footage, you can open up the website and get stock footage. If you want fonts, you can get fonts and everything like that. Then with your Adobe plan, what depends on which one you purchased, you will get storage. So if you click onto files, this is going to be able to manage your files. You can take a tour. I'll just skip the tour. And this is basically where you can add files into your Adobe Cloud. If you click this plus right here, you can create a new folder. You can upload files into your Creative Cloud. So it's good to make use of the storage because they do give you that. And then you can also discover apps. So I'll just click on to OK, and you can discover this like Creative Kickoff, tailor your apparel using Firefly. So this is basically some resources that you can take a look at. And then they also have the stock and marketplace that you can try. I'll skip the tour for this. And this is just a collection of Adobe stock footage, which you can try, as well as fonts and stuff. You can click photos, illustrations, vectors, videos. So Adobe pretty much has it all. And then you can go on to quick actions, and you can basically do some quick things like if you quickly want to resize an image, you can convert to a GIF, convert to MP4 and stuff like that. Then you also have a search bar at the top. You can search anything in your Creative Cloud. You can make use of the search bar. And then if you click onto the top right hand corner, you can see your notifications and you can manage your account. So you can sign into your Adobe account, you can cancel subscriptions, you can upgrade plans and change cards and stuff like that. So that's how you use a Creative Cloud for your desktop or your Mac. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next video.